Hello mis amigos and welcome back to my channel. I hope you're doing great. I hope you're having an amazing day. And today, it's time for a makeover. I hope that's what you're here for. That's what I'm here for. That's what I have been here for because the room is already made over. I needed some change. You need some change. We all need some change. It was time for some change. So without further ado, let's make over my room. Well, let's just start with what inspired this room makeover, really. And the reason for this makeover, you can see in the background of this shot right now. Even just looking at the viewfinder and seeing it just makes me so aggressive and I just hate looking at it. It's this freaking ugly piece of a black rectangle in my room and I just hate TVs. Why are they so ugly? That's what inspired this room makeover, really. But then I had an issue because I still kind of sort of wanted to have a TV in my room just in case someone will come over, which you never know, maybe that will be the case. Or just for me, I can also enjoy a TV. In my life, I've only ever seen one TV that I think is beautiful. I just think TVs are so aesthetically unpleasing. Like, who invented them? Obviously, I'm happy to have them, but like, they're so ugly. Why not make them beautiful? Or like, I don't know, see-through so that they disappear when you don't need it. I was in kind of this state of mind when I decided, okay, I gotta buy the only TV that I think is beautiful. And then I really just want to get rid of all of the green things in my room. I just really want to go for all earthy and neutral tones, like this pot and no longer this pot. That's why I also reupholstered this chair, if you've seen last week's video. Because my room is really not big, I kind of want to brighten it up as well. So that's why I also want to get rid of all things green and just go for all neutrals. Obviously my room is a bit of a mess now because some of the packages have already come in, but not like all of them. This side of the room I'm okay with. It looks a bit full, especially now with all of the packages. What we're really gonna focus on is basically this area. Another reason for this room makeover is because I don't get too much light in this room, especially in winter. And that is also the reason why this mirror is standing there right now, because obviously the light source, the window is here, and I just kind of want the light to reflect off of a mirror into the rest of the room, which kind of works, but not perfectly yet. So I'll definitely want to hang a mirror above this once this ugly piece of ugliness is gone. And I also have another smaller mirror that I want to put on shelves that I want to hang above the TV that will go here. So I'll probably spend more time decorating than actually making over my room. Yes, it's finally time to say goodbye to this beast because they'll deliver the new TV tomorrow and they'll also take the old one with them. So bye bye. You won't be missed. The way this room looks like a gazillion times better already. I can breathe. Yes, my TV has arrived. Are you excited? Okay, so this is not how it works. Alrighty, I just had to check if the TV is working, even though it says failed. I think it's working. I just wanted to find out if it turns on at all before I mount it to the wall, which is my next project. And I'm kind of afraid because I don't think this is a one-person job. And I'm also afraid because I've never done this before and I don't know anyone close to me who's done this before. Let's just hope for the best. Obviously, I wanted to go on this wall, so I'll have to get rid of this first. I'll put the guitar back into the basement. Okay, so it took me 10,000 years to just attach this template to the wall. Possibly because I don't want to drill the holes, because I haven't drilled holes in like a month, and whenever I take a break and then have to drill the first hole, it just makes me really anxious. But I need to drill about at least 4. Here goes nothing, guys. I'm really afraid. So hard to get into this wall. So whose idea was it to wear a white shirt to this party? I have a bit of an issue and I'm just gonna go with it and hope that my TV won't fall off the wall. So as you can see, I've drilled
4 holes. And I only drilled 4 holes because the 2 most important ones, I can't get them in deep enough. This is literally as deep as I can go, and I've tried and I've tried and I've tried to put it in deeper, but it just won't work. I thought of shortening this plug. However, I don't have a screw that is thick enough but short enough as well. I'll look for more screws, but I don't think we've got one. So I'm hoping that the 4 screws that I put in will suffice. What can you do? What can you do? It's only midday and I'm so done with life. This room is a mess. It's so dusty in here, and this, I mean, it's hanging and it's also like really sturdy. I think this is all right, but 2 of these screws are incorrectly or like not in enough. This one as well. I think I'll just go with this and just put on the TV right now, and if that doesn't work, then I'll take it off again and drill again. But I'm honestly so done with drilling, and I have to drill more because I've also bought a mirror that I will have to mount to the wall. Anyway, no breakdown. All right, here goes nothing, I guess. It's hanging, guys. It's secure too. Let's see if it's still working. Hey. So obviously I have a lot of plants. I will put some of them below the TV. And then I also bought 2 shelves. I want to install them above the TV and then have the plants there and some beautiful decoration. Secondly, I have a mirror that I want to install above this cabinet. However, I'm also thinking of switching up the furniture a little bit. Whoopsies. These are the shelves that I got. I really don't want to drill any more holes, so I'm hoping that I can just screw the screws into the wall. I have to drill. Fuck. I'm getting there. For whatever reason, this doesn't look that straight, but we'll just ignore that fact. Last one. Last one down and a boom boom. Who gets that reference? None of you. This is the first time I'm seeing this too, so it better look good. Okay, cute. Who hates this more than I do? I don't think anyone. Even though I know I shouldn't try it, but I'm gonna try and put the dresser here now and see if I like it. Oh my god. This view is horrible. What is this? Can you believe that since we moved, I still haven't found the time to try and fix this dresser? There's still these tape stains on here. So this is what it looks like here. I think I like this because I'd also be getting rid of my nightstand, which I don't want there anymore. What if I just put a mirror here and keep this here? You know what? I think I could get behind this. I also don't mind this mirror here. Maybe I'll just place the chair there instead and put one of these plants on it. I think I like this, and it's something new, it's different. And you know what, I think I could also always swap the chair and the lounge chair that stands right here. Oh, speaking of the lounge chair, have you guys seen my lounge chair makeover from last week? Because I reupholstered this. It was a lot of work, so please go watch this video. Now that I've sort of sorted everything out, I will take care of this because obviously it can't stay like this. Yeah, I just have to get rid of all of the plants first. I think the record player definitely has to go in the middle of this though, right? Now on to more interesting things. I've got something that I probably have to hang up. By the way, all day I've been listening to Zayn's new album and it's so good. Wow! Look at this beauty! It's this asymmetric mirror and it's so beautiful. Oh my god, actually it would look really good above this dresser. But like, no. I think it has to go here because I bought it so that it would reflect more light into this room. I'll have to hang this, huh? I hate myself. I really hate myself right now. Fuck. I really don't want to. Okay, I got this. I got this. I got this. Everyone hope and pray. This looks cute, I like it. Finally, we're on to the fun part, cleaning and decorating. I really want to work on both areas at the same time. So I'm hoping that you can see, otherwise tell me if you can't see anything. If I didn't already own some of the decorations, then it's only from either Zara Home or H&M Home or from Grene, which I don't know if it's international. I'm so obsessed with this one, but I've heard that this is really hard to take care of. So I'm really afraid because I've wanted this for so long. I think we need something high up here, so I'm gonna put this plant here. Otherwise it's just very empty. I hate that this pot is green, but I don't have a different one in this size. Actually, maybe I do. I'll swap these just because this will be less visible. Yeah, I can live with that. Now I also bought another lamp. Apparently I'm a fan of lamps. Now I just hope that we still have a light bulb for this. Well, we don't. Anyway, I just also really hate when lamps don't come with the proper light bulbs. Then, okay, charge me €2 more or like 4. It's just stupid to have to buy it separately. Let's just pretend there's a light bulb in this one. You know what? I could also hang it from the wall. This would look, oh fuck, actually this would look really cool here. No, I'm not gonna do that. No, I'm not gonna do that. My new monstera that I propagated will go down here. Something in front. Everything I ordered are just scented candles. Yeah, in hindsight, I think the shelves are a little too high, but I also got this beautiful photo frame from Zara Home. I also bought the smallest vases ever. I thought they were a little bit bigger at least. But I've got like this, I don't even know what it's called. This doesn't look good. I love this sound. This took a month to arrive and it's a winter scented candle and it smells so much like winter, but I don't want to like not use it now that I've waited a month for it. I'm happy to announce that my vinyl collection is growing. Who do we feel like today? Some her, back when she still made an album and back when she still didn't just suddenly release songs. Anyway. Okay, I think I'm fine with this for now. Let's turn around and do this. Can you already guess what it is? It is another mirror. Ooh, I like this. I know it's a little bit off center, but I think it still kind of works. So I guess I'll put all of my jewelry and my nightstand stuff here. Just mid-makeover breakdown, casual thing. I don't really like this so far. Yeah, I think I like this now. This looks cute. Now onto this painting. This is basically the last thing that I have to put somewhere. Maybe I'll put it there instead of the vinyl. It's definitely not my first choice, but I put it there. Also, I got rid of this card thingy, so it's empty there. Actually, it's really empty there right now. Other than that, I don't think I've changed anything. Oh, I put this plant here and I also put it in this, whatever it's called, just so you wouldn't see the green pot. I'm still waiting for my new bed sheets and stuff. I'll see you when those have arrived and I've washed them, and then I'll give you a final look at everything. Hi guys, I literally just remembered that I ordered a new lamp because I didn't like the golden lamp that much. It's this really beautiful natural stone. Oh, they're focusing on the cat. Focus on the lamp. Beautiful natural stone, and it's, yeah, I love it. I also got this really pretty stone or ceramic, I think it's ceramic, candle holder, and this extremely big glass vase that I didn't think was gonna be that big. But anyway, it's really pretty. I like it a lot. I just put the lamp right there. I put the candle holder on this. I'm still not really satisfied with how it looks here, so this is gonna change over the next couple of weeks. I finally got rid of this green pot and I just put this plant into this vase, and I think it looks alright for now. I'll find a better place for it though. Finally, it's time for the last part of this room, which is, and for that I really only bought new bed sheets and cushions and all that kind of jazz, and I planned another DIY. Because I don't have a headboard or anything like that behind my bed, no, we're not gonna DIY a headboard right now. However, I thought that it's still quite empty above my bed. That's why I bought 2 frames with beautiful drawings. I originally planned on hanging them above the bed, but then I was thinking, my room is pretty full. That's why I'm gonna wait for your guys' opinion. Tell me if I should hang something above my bed after you've seen the entire makeover. And what I've got planned for these frames is
relatively simple actually. I bought this jute fabric that I think would tie in perfectly with the rug in my room and all the neutral vibe that I'm going for. And I plan on obviously getting rid of everything that is in this frame right now and just leaving the glass and then just basically framing this fabric. But maybe like this you get the gist, you know? Therefore the last step is just to change these bed sheets. I was also gonna go for like an earthy tone in terms of bed sheets, but I couldn't find one. So I had to settle for white. We did it, guys. This is it. This is my new room and I'm kind of happy with it. I'm kind of satisfied. As I said in, I think last week's video or in the beginning of the video, I don't know, I kind of filmed both videos simultaneously, so I really don't know anymore. I would have changed all of the furniture, but since I can't really do that, I'm really satisfied with the result and I like it right now. So let's hope and pray that I'm gonna like it for another long while. I'm starting to think though that maybe I should become a DIY channel. I'm kind of having a lot of fun DIYing stuff at the moment, even though you haven't seen much of it yet. And also I'm kind of short on ideas already, so I don't know about that idea. Either way, let's just look at the room in its entirety right now. Please enjoy this montage. Yay! Please let me know what you guys think, what you would have changed, if you've got any ideas for things that I could make differently or things that would look cool in some place of the room. As I said, please tell me if I should put something above the bed. I'm just really glad that I do no longer have this massive TV here. Instead I have this. This is obviously not paid promotion or anything. I don't really want to advertise for it, but I've chosen this TV because you can change the frame of it and I'll eventually change it for like a wooden one because I think that would look better in this room. Once I figure out the lighting settings and stuff, I think even this is supposed to look like a painting. This just looks way sleeker and way less in your face than my old TV and other TVs that I know, and that is really why I chose this and I can finally breathe. With that being said, I'm so happy that you went on this journey with me and I hope that you enjoyed the ride. And the last thing for me to say is that I hope I'll see you again next Sunday. So thank you guys so much for watching y entonces nos vemos la próxima vez y bye!